We're at 4406 Thistle Pine Court. This is in Milton, located just off of Highway 90. We're entering into our front door here. We have laminate flooring throughout the majority of the home. Nice high ceilings throughout. To our immediate right, we have our coat closet. In front of us, we have our living area. We have a TV mount already in place, so no need to install that. And then we have our opened bar top, dining area, and kitchen. So here is that kitchen space. We do have all stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and then here is that living room again. If we go through the kitchen, we have our dining area. We have French door access to our backyard. And here's that kitchen space again. Now on the other end of the kitchen that we just walked by, we have our laundry area. So we have a pantry, storage closet, whatever you would like it to be. We have our washer and dryer units, or connections rather. And then here we have our 2-car garage. We do have a flat screen TV hooked up in here as well, so this could be a man cave as well. So this is on the front side of the home. Heading back inside now. We'll go back through our laundry room. We're passing our storage closet. There is our kitchen and our living area. We'll go to the master suite first. So we have French door access to our master suite. There's carpeting throughout the bedrooms. And we have tray ceilings in here. This is on the back side of the home, so you look into the backyard. And then here is that bedroom again. We do have a TV mount already in place, so no need for that. And then here is our master ensuite. We have double sink vanity, lots of good lighting and storage space. We have our walk-in closet, which goes all the way around. We have our private commode room, garden jacuzzi tub, and a walk-in shower, all in this master suite. Heading back out will take you to the other bedrooms and bathrooms of the home. So we're going to go back out through the dining area. We'll cut through the living area. This home is on the front side of the home. Still very tall ceilings in here, lots of good space. The window looks out into our front patio, but we do have a great size closet as well. Heading back out now. We're going through our living area again. We're going to pass our front door, our linen closet. We'll come to a short hallway. Directly in front of us, we have our guest bathroom. We have a tub shower combo and a good sized vanity, and our linen closet as well. On either side of the bathroom, we have 2 full bedrooms, again with carpeting. So this is on the front side of the home. Lots of good lighting in here. Nice French door closet access. Heading back out, we'll go to the last of the bedrooms. So this is on the middle right of the home. Again, lots of good lighting, French door closet space. Now heading back out, we'll take you to the backyard. So we're coming out of our short hallway through our living area. We're going to pass our kitchen, go through our dining area. We do have a small covered patio, and then the backyard is fully enclosed. So here is that covered patio space. And then here is that backyard. This is a newer subdivision, so everything is in beautiful shape already. There are neighbors on either side, but the houses are not too terribly close together that you do still have privacy. So here is that backyard. Heading back inside, again, this is 4406 Thistle Pine Court, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com. And this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom.